Yeah.
Hey guys, I can finally meet Gilang. I've been wanting to for a long time. Now I'm right next to him. High five. Hey.
Yeah, you guys will join us. You guys will join us.
Yeah. So what can I don't know what they can see. Are they seeing our room? Like, can they see us next to each other?
No, no, they only see you, like in my
Okay.
perspective.
Wow. Well, I gotta say, man, this is really nice. I want to draw something here. There's I can see a whole bunch of options,
Wait,
so I can
I'm
make the
gonna turn on
tablet.
my screen. Go throw on that.
Oh, nice. Okay, okay, cool. All right, let me see what I can make. So, is this a draw? Pick up your control. Oh, I have to use the
Oh yeah,
controller.
yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
okay. Let me find it. Where did I put them? I left it on your desk. Hang on. There's my controller here. Sorry. Okay, which one is that? Okay, here we go. Pen tool. Okay. Oh, nice. Okay, clear your desk. Okay, so I've got to move the mouse. All right. Continue. Hold your controller like a pen. Oh, nice. That's pretty cool. Oh, that's wonderful.
You
Draw
write on your
arm
board
circle. Yeah,
on
I'm
the desk.
drawing it now. Yeah,
You actually
start
can
drawing.
you can move to the board.
Oh, really? That's cool.
Yeah.
Well, I'll see if I can write from here. Uh, oh, this is cool. I can draw. So no. Hello. Oh, it's actually quite nice to draw. It feels very
Yeah.
natural on this controller. That's so cool. Oh, I'm so impressed with this thing, man. I didn't know. I didn't know how they've been very creative with this whole thing. Oh man, so amazing.
Oh, you lost your leg. You have no leg.